just made some spaghetti. Yes, this is gonna be great. All right, so it's Friday night and I'm just chilling tight. All right, so it's Friday night and I'm chilling and whatnot. And you know, I've had my hair straight now for like, I don't know, it's almost a month, or it is a month, past a month, I don't know. It's time to wash it. I might just leave it curly now, but I was thinking since I'm gonna wash it, then maybe do this Splat Midnight Ruby 30 wash, no bleach. No bleach needed. So this one does not come with bleach. So I guess, I don't know if, I guess maybe it's extra concentrated. But so I don't know how it's gonna show up on dark hair, but since the ends of my hair is lighter still from before when I dyed it, I mean, something's gonna show up at least, right? So this is the one with no bleach, so I decided I'm gonna try this just because I don't know if I'm ready to like bleach my hair again just yet. So, you know, I'm just trying out some of these Splat hair products I was sent. So I think I'm gonna try this one for now. This one is a 30-day wash. And I kind of been thinking about trying out red, you know, to dye like a deep red, maybe even a purplish red, but like a really deep, like burgundy red. I'm not sure how, if this is like that deep, but we're gonna try it out. So then it says to you know, to really get the color saturated, to leave it on for like, you know, depending on how dark your hair is. If your hair's really dark, you should leave it on for like an hour. So I guess that's what we're gonna do.
I'm riding, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm riding, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Alright, so it comes with this big old bottle of red dye. It's a big bottle, since there's no bleach in there, I guess. Yeah, so I hope this is gonna be enough for all my hair, because I'm just gonna do it like just all over my whole head. So yeah, I hope this is enough for my hair, because I'm just gonna do this all over my whole head. And then it has the directions and the gloves that are inside the directions. And it comes with a conditioner, deep reconstructor. So, okay, so, oh, forgot, I gotta grease my face up. I gotta put Vaseline around the perimeter of my hair to keep it from, to keep my skin from staining. Trying to get it, cover up my ears, and like pretty much the whole back of my neck is what I usually do. So yeah, so I'm just gonna section my hair into 2 halves. Start with this section, get all in there. Okay, so here it goes. Hopefully I cannot make a mess. I put plastic garbage bags on the floor and on my surface. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, drip.
Got my mind about 10 things. I don't talk about bullshit. I only talk about real things. I'm lying down with them late rounds. Dumb bitch, go slow you down. Be cold on these hoes now for your whole house get burned down. Roll up the tree, pass it around. Before my niggas, we lay you down. Turn your shit up and ride with me now. Ride with me now. Roll tree, pass it around. Before my niggas, we lay you down. Turn shit up and ride with me now. Ride with me now. I'll be smoking on mine. Look like my eyes is closed. I'll be smoking on mine. That's why my eyes is low. I'll be smoking on mine. Be what I'm trying to say. I'll be smoking on mine. I'm really out of it. Paranoid, paranoia, paranoid, noid, paranoid, paranoia, noia, noid, paranoid, paranoia, noia, noid, paranoid, paranoia, noia, noid.
Who is that?
Okay, as you can see, this stuff is messy. Hopefully this comes off.
Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Shawty think she too hot, I think I'm the shit. Nose ring like I'm Tupac, yeah, we getting lit. Shawty getting juiced up, it's a gangsta party. Smoking like we Snoop Dogg, hunger who she with? I think it is her birthday. Yeah, it's going down, it's going up on a Thursday. Send another bottle out, I can see she worth it. We can have a drink, champagne if you're thirsty. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot?
Alright guys, I'm back. So this is the result of my hair. This is how it came out. It's pretty bright. Now of course the ends of my hair are still lighter from the bleach when I dyed it, which that was a year ago already. When I dyed my hair about a year ago, so my ends, you know, it grew out and then my ends are still lighter. So that's why I have this bright red result, because you know this was a no bleach version, a no bleach. So this is, I mean, I dyed my whole head though, so this part up here, the top, did not have no bleach. So as you can see, it's still trying to get it in the sun, so you could probably see a tint of it in the sunlight, but yeah, you can't really see it. But yeah, I don't really think you could see it like in regular lighting or whatever, because, so just saying, if you have really dark hair like mine and you want to use the no bleach, I know some people ask me questions about the, was it the purple one that I did, the video I did that's titled how I dye my hair purple. Quiet. I have gotten questions of people asking, will it work without bleach? And you know, honestly, like I said, is like, if you have dark hair like mine and you want the color to actually show up vibrant, you're gonna have to bleach it. So I mean, if you want, I mean, you could do it without bleach, but just saying, if you have really dark hair, you're not gonna really be able to tell unless you're out in like really bright lighting, and even then you'll only be able to see like a tint of color, like, especially if you're in the sunlight, that's probably where you'll be able to see it the best. But yeah, I mean, if you really want your hair to show up bright like this, you have to lighten your hair. That's just, I mean, at least with the splat hair dye anyway, I don't know. It looks like you would have to, even with the no bleach version. But yeah, so the ends are lighter, so, but yeah, I mean, I like the color though. I think it looks pretty cool. So we'll rock this out for a while. So it's probably gonna look pink as it fades out. We'll see. Trying to get a good sunlight. Try to get a good sunlight shot. Boom. It's lit, right? That sun is bright.
Miami one. Sometimes I feel depressed, it's going down just like the sun. My life is in the sentinel and y'all just think it's fun. I wanna go far away, I ain't the only one. I just wanna fly far away. They don't know about all the problems I face. Can't relate to all the drugs
coffee. I need to give Coda a bath. I know he doesn't like that. I can't say that because he knows what that means. And then I got a couple Instagram posts to work on. And then start editing these videos.
HB on the beat. Yeah. All I take